Crap. I don't even know if this works. Put the little lights on. So I'm going to have to do a better job of trying to figure out how this thing works. This is a little room that I sleep in. Hopefully you can see. Bed. Too short. Computer. Phone. Chair of clothes. Random stuff. Bing. My razor. Speedos. There's a bagel and I really want to eat some stuff. Ooh, there's some books. If you peek really closely, it's Twilight and Angela's Ashes. This is the hallway again. Downstairs is where we're going to go in a second. Bathroom. This is allegedly my mom's room, but it's decorative, so nobody actually lives in this house. This is my middle aunt's room. But again, nobody lives in this house, so there are more placeholders, I guess, than anything. The master suite that I stay in, that really belongs to somebody else, but nobody stays in the house. So we go downstairs, and there's a little toilet thing, and an area with some stuff in it. This is probably really jolty. I'm sorry, I've never done this before, so oh well. This is the kitchen to the second house, and since they're remodeling, this is what they're using, and I'm very surprised that there aren't Mexican people in here right now to ruin it. Oh, cranberry sauce. I think this is going to be my breakfast. Yeah, I love cranberry sauce. I love you too, but I love cranberry sauce more right now, because you're not here, you're over there. So, cranberry sauce totally wins it for me. This is the door that goes outside into the cold. This is the partition between the front and the back house that they just built this gate so they can have two really long houses. And here, oh, I don't know if I forgot to tell you, they lock every fucking door because it's funny to them. Every single door. This is the door I get locked out of a billion times. Inside this little building lives Jesus, like every good Mexican house should have. This is my mom's favorite place, Jardín. So, just like back in California,